Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make SolidWorks product in SolidWorks well learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New, select Part and select OK. Now I am going to select plane. Now I am going to select right plane and select sketch. Now go to line tools and draw the origin from origin. Now select here. Now select here and here. Now select here and here and here and here. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 70. Now this line dimension 20. And this line distance 40, and this line dimension 45. Okay, now this line dimension, this line and this line dimension 155. Okay, now this line dimension 20. Okay, now need to another dimension. Just check here. This point control this point vertical. Now give the dimension, this line and this line dimension 20. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now give the extrude 70 from mid plane. Okay. Now go to fillet and select this edge and this edge. Now give the value 35. Okay. Select. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle from this point. Now give the dimension this circle 35. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here and give the dimension this circle 40. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Now here cut through all. Okay. Now go to here, select plain white. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to select metal. Or you can select different color. Now going to select part and select here color. Now select color here. As you wish, you can select color. Okay. Now make this job. Now I'm going to make another job. Now go to again file and select new and select part and select OK. Now go to select front plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch here. From origin to draw the sketch. Now select here. Now draw the line, another line here. Select. Now give the dimension, this line and this line dimension 400. Now this line dimension 150. Now this line dimension again 150. Now this line dimension 37.5. Now this line and this line distance 37.5. Now this line and this line distance 150. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 50. Okay. Now just this point control this point particle. Now need another dimension. Just check here move point. This point control this point horizontal. Okay. Just move here. Okay. This line control this line equal. Now check here. Check here dimension. Now need to another dimension. Move here. Now just give the another dimension here. This point This point control this point vertical. Okay. Now no need dimension another. Now I am going to feature and extrude tool, select. Now give the dimension below. This select here. Give the dimension from mid plane. Now here select 50 as we wish. Okay. Now go to again here. Select this sketch and feature and extrude. Now select here. Give the dimension 150. Okay. Now go to isometric view and now I'm going to select here this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Now you can select here rectangle and give the dimension here 37, 37.5. Now again here this point and this point distance 37.5. Now I am going to here distance 125. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now select here through all. Okay. Now go to here select fillet. Give the below. This is fillet 25. Okay. Now I am going to isometric view. Now select here plain white. Now you can select the color. Now select color. Okay, make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask you can write comment box.